Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to share a cool tool which will help you to write blogs for you. So the tool is Copy.ai. So I will share my screen and show you how you can actually do that. So it is an AI powered tool which will help you to write blog posts, sales copies, social media posts, and whatnot, everything that a normal human can write. So it is completely based on artificial intelligence. Let me share my screen and show you how you can actually utilize this. So this is the platform named Copy.ai. So what it does is like it helps you to write copies for anything, whether it might be a blog post copy, social media copy, sales copy, website copy, so everything. So you can literally write anything here. So let's suppose just click create new project here. You can find the link of it in the description if you fail to find it. So just give it a title. I'm just giving like a demo project and I'm skipping the website part. Now it is asking what it is all about. Let's suppose you want to write a blog. Let's suppose I want to write about a product called say a laptop. Just give the hint of what you actually wanted to write. Let's suppose I want to write something about best features to consider a laptop. So I'm just writing one side heading here. So it is creating a copy. So as lengthy as the description is, you will find better results. I'm just writing a simple line, so I will get only small things. You can see the laptop is essential tool for students, workers, and business people. So you can see various content copies, and all these are plagiarism free. These are not copies which were copied from internet. So they were original copies based on your requirement. So you can see you will at least get 1 to 2 paragraphs for single line that you write. So if you still want to write more, let's suppose best features to consider in a laptop, and I will add another line. Which laptop to buy as a student. So I'm also adding this line now. So now you can see you will get some good results, good quality results apart from what we saw previously. So I have written 2 lines now. Let's see how this AI will give me results. Yeah, you will see you are getting more content here. So it is saying like the best features to consider: size, battery life, weight, keyboard color and size. See, literally even we can't figure it out. So it takes around 2 to 3 hours for us to research on everything and write a complete post. But this tool is giving us in seconds. This is the beauty of this tool, and I love this tool. So you can literally write anything here, even it's a social media post. Or so bloggers in their initial days struggle to write some good content. So for those people, it will be really helpful. So you will find the link to this in the description, and I hope you create more content using this tool. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this and if you want someone else to know about it, please share this video in your network. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.